Good morning. How are you? I hope you're really happy this morning because I'm really happy to be here with you on this beautiful Wednesday morning. And we're in our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. And I remember when we first started kindergarten together, maybe you thought it was too difficult or too hard, but you guys have learned so much, and I'm so proud of you, and I'm so glad you didn't give up. Remember our little song? If you're feeling a little down in the dumps, don't give up. Even if you're sick with the mumps, don't give up. You didn't give up, and you kept trying, and you made it. And that's why we're learning this beautiful poem. He did it for our graduation. Okay, so should we review together? Are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Somebody said that it couldn't be done, but he with a chuckle replied that maybe it couldn't. But he would be one who wouldn't say so till he tried. So he buckled right in with a trace of a grin. On his face, if worried, he hid it. He started to sing as he tackled the thing that couldn't be done, and he did it. Somebody scoffed. Oh, you'll never do that. At least no one has ever done it. But he took off his coat and he took off his hat. And the first thing we knew, he begun it with a lift of his chin and a bit of a grin without any doubting or quit it. He started to sing as he tackled the thing that couldn't be done, and he did it. There are thousands to tell you it cannot be done. There are thousands to prophesy failure. There are thousands to point out, one by one, the dangers that assail you. But just buckle in with a bit of a grin. Just take off your coat and go to it. Just start to sing as you tackle the thing that cannot be done, and you'll do it. Good job. Great learning and great repeating. You guys are getting it. Okay, so right now we only have a few pages left in our letters and sounds class. So we're just reviewing and reviewing. Repetition is the law of memory. Okay, so let's do our special sounds. Stop. Look. Listen. Here we go. Yellow cards. Ka. Duck. E. Me. O. Go. I. Fly. A. Pray. St. Stop. Pla. Plane. Fra. Frog. Tra. Train. Sh. Ship. Two sounds. F and the. Thick and this. Cla. Clock. Blah. Block. Fla. Flake. Gla. Glue. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, ready for the blue ones? Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. Here we go. There we are. Here we are. Bra, bride, dra, drum, pra, pray, gra, grin, sma, smoke, ska, scat, sk, skate, sp, spade, crab, twins, splash, spring, scream, squeak, snack, sleep, stream, swim, We did them all! Yay! Okay, last ones are orange. Stop, look, listen, let's do do them. Or, morning. Ch, church. R, stars. Th, three. Two sounds, ow and o. Owl, bull. Ow, out. Verse. Nurse. Bird. Remember, if the special sound has a vowel, you don't need to mark it. It just goes inside the circle, okay? You got it. Okay, so now let's go to our letters and sounds book. You got it? Okay, I've got it too. Here we go. And we're going to start on page 211. Do you see it right there? Okay, so make sure to write your name at the top very nicely and neatly. And it says, choose the correct word to finish each sentence and write it on the line. Okay, so here is the sentence. Remember, a sentence has to be a complete thought. It has to make sense. And you have to choose between one of these two words. Okay? You can do it. So you can do that whole page by yourself. You guys are amazing. Now we're going to page 212. You see that? Okay. So on the top it says, 2, mark the vowels. You guys know how to mark the vowels. Super. And then number 3 says, fill in the circle under each picture that begins with the special sound in the box. Okay, so we've just reviewed our special sounds. So this is str. So I'm going to say the word, and you repeat with me. And then you decide if it has this special sound, okay? Stop. Stop. Strawberry. Strawberry. Straw. Straw. Okay, you know how to do it. You got it. If you need to pause me, just pause me, and then you can keep going, okay? The special sound. Twa. Twa. Twins. Twins. Truck. Truck. 12. 12. The next one. Thread. Thread. 3. 3. Tree. Tree. This one's tricky. Make sure it has the th. Okay, you can do it. And the last one is splah. Splah. Swing. Swing. Splash. Splash. The boys can splash in the water. Splinter. Have you ever gotten a splinter in your finger? Splinter. Okay. 213. That's our last one for today. Okay. Make sure to write your name at the top, and it's an evaluation. Are you ready? Here we go. Super exciting. It says, 1, circle the special sound you hear in each word. Okay, you have to decide which special sound you hear. Let's review say the words together. Are you ready? Grasshopper. Grasshopper. Clown. Clown. Tractor. Tractor. Blow. Blow. Drink. Drink. Stapler. Stapler. Okay, very good. Number 2, circle the special sounds and mark the vowels. You got this. Make sure you see if there's how many special sounds are in each word, okay? Cool. And number 3 is circle the word that completes the sentence. Remember, a sentence has to make sense, a complete thought, okay? You can do it. You guys are amazing. Super. We're almost done. We're getting to the end. I'm so proud of each and every one of you. Okay, now let's do our sight words and a few two-vowel word flashcards. Are you ready? Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. Here we go. The. These are sight words. Of. To. Do. I. The. And. The. Of. We did it a few times. There were a few, so we did it a few times. It's all good. Okay, are you ready? Here we go with our two-vowel word flashcards. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. Here we go. Size, tie, time. Wife, side, ride. Pile, pie. 9, tube, rule, mule, Luke, June, dune, cube, bone, need, neat, leak, leaf, heat, feet, feed, eat, 9. Mine. Mike, cone, goal, nose, vote, toe, toad, bee, bead, weed, rain. Cute! You're so cute. And I'm so proud of each and every one of you, okay? So keep up the good work and remember, yes,